I've got a vintage Singer model 201. The serial number is AE053323, which dates it's 1935. This is one of the early version 201s, so you're going to see some differences with a chrome balance wheel. The rear plate is going to have a different scroll pattern, and you have a different thread tension, and then also your bobbin winding thread guide. It's been serviced. I've upgraded the motor. Oh, also the motor has a decal on it, which I think they stopped in 1936. The internal motor was upgraded from one from the 1950s, and it's got a new cord on the pedal. So basically I'm going to show you how well it stitches. You can see the light works too, passes the tap test. I've got 6 layers of denim, which were already stitched once. Photo in the ad. It's got good control, slow and fast. There you can see there's no skip stitches, no broken threads. It's a little hard to tell on the back, but on the front you can see there's definitely clear defined stitches. Next I have 4 layers of thin leather, which is typically found on pants, jackets, purses, skirts. Trying to get some of these threads out of the way. You'll probably be able to see the stitches better on this material. And you can see there's no skip stitches, no broken threads. And there you can see the back a little bit better. And there you have it.